When I first walked into this kitchen, I was nervous. I never cooked anything more than ramen. But I quickly learned that anyone could cook.
Mistakes weren't failures here. They were lessons, and each one made me better.
So I joined this class because I've always had a passion for cooking. I've always loved making food. I like cooking for people. I like when people get to express themselves in different ways, and I feel like that's one of the ways I can.
This class isn't just about food.
It's about teamwork. We support each other, whether it's fixing a dish, giving advice, or cleaning up after a long day.
Together, we build confidence, patience, and creativity that go far beyond the kitchen. Here, we're more than just students.
We're chefs. Every dish we make tells a story about growth.
Teamwork and who we are.
This class has prepared us for more than just cooking. It's prepared us for the future.